Let's look at the different network topologies and what is network topology means and why do we need it. So starting with what does it actually means. Network topology refers to the physical or the logical arrangement of nodes that are devices and links which are called as connections in a computer network. So it's just a logical arrangement or it can be a physical arrangement. Let's look at the types of topologies. The first and the simplest one we have is the bus topology, where all the nodes are connected using a central link. A central link, as you can see here, all the nodes are connected to the central link and data flows through that. So it is applicable to the small number of devices. It is very cheap and easy to implement. The only disadvantage it have is if the main cable gets damaged, the whole system will fail. So it is generally not preferable for the scalable systems, and nowadays it's obsolete in the computer network area. Earlier is to be implemented with the Ethernet, but now it's obsolete. Now let's look at the second one is the star topology, where all the nodes are connected to a single central server. Now the advantages here we have over the bus topology is any single node failure uh, will not affect the other nodes. Suppose this node fails, it will not affect the other servers. But again, we have one condition here. If the central server itself fails, the whole system will fail. That's the major drawback it has. If we are talking about the advantages, it is easy to troubleshoot. If any node fails, we can identify it easily. Mainly used in home and office networks, where if suppose it have example of office, then all the office uh, computer network connected to the single central server where they monitor input and output the data flow. Then we have is the ring topology, where each node is connected to two other nodes, forming a ring-like structure, like this way. Um, Talking about the advantage of it is again a cheap, same like a bus topology. And if we talk about the disadvantages, it's it's less expensive and it's hard to install. And if any one node fails, like here, the whole system will fail. So again, it is rarely used in today's network area. Then we have mesh topology. It is the most practical, applicable topology used in today's network area, where each node is connected to one or many nodes. Like you can see, where each node is connected to one or many nodes. So it is robust as a one node failure does not affect the other system hierarchy. So it is rarely used in installation and management are typical. That's the main disadvantage it have. Otherwise, it has a complex structure. It is mainly used in WANs, that is a wide area network, and we know that the global wide area network is our internet. So that's the most practical application of this mesh topology. We cannot say internet is purely a mesh topology, but it's a combination many different topologies that is called as the hybrid topology. And the last one we have is the tree topology, where the combination of star and bus topology are connected. So all the smaller networks like this, if you take this tree example, it's connected to a single bus. This one. So if this bus connecting to the smaller tree structure, if that fails, again this the lower hierarchy will fail, so the whole network will get damaged. And the last uh, topology I have not covered here is sixth one, the hybrid one, which is generally or the most used topologies in today's network area. So hybrid combines tree topology, mesh topology, and this one, star topology. So combining these three topologies, we have the hybrid topology, which is mostly used in today's world. So this way we have covered all the topologies that we use, which is logical or physical structure of the computer networks. Each topology defines the different connections of the nodes, and it's applicable based on our usage, like how do you want the structure and all. That's it.